projects I'm working on. Gotta work on that one. Change out the motor. Burnt out. Some new wheels and tires. Another project, son burned out his motor. Tires okay. Need to fix on oil up the shocks. The slash, no problems, but does need some new tires. Just more stuff I need to work on. I've been prolonging. Need to clean up my little work area over here. Project after project. And get this going. There's one over there too. Another project. One project after the other. I think first I'm gonna start on this one sometime this week. Once I get that going. This is my rustler. I painted the body, new body on it. This one here is the gravedigger my son's on. And also the slash, which I have a new project I'm building. A new slash 4x4. Purchasing the parts right now online. And that's pretty much about it. It's more and more time consuming, plus work, and just finished a trip to the Keys. Alright. Need to organize this workstation a little bit better. Alrighty.
What you making?